Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the stream function in Microsoft Power Automate. This is part 2. If you not watch the part 1, I will suggest you to watch the part 1 so you will continue. So in this video, we are seeing the index of function, IsFloat function, IsInt, last index of and length function. So let's go to the Power Automate and let's go to the data operation and let's use the compose operation for the learning purpose. So first we are seeing the index of function. So first step is always to rename our action. So let's give here index of function. Let's go to the input section. Click on here fx icon and let's use here index of. Let's use the brackets. Go to the dynamic content. In the dynamic content, let's we select the text here, okay, string that we need to pass, and second parameter, the text index which we need to find. So let's I copy this expression and let's I go first to the this text, okay. What we need to find? We have to find this 93, okay. So let's see at what number this is present. Okay. So let's we go in the input power fx. Let's I paste this. So if I pass the 93 as the number, okay. So it is taking as number. So we will face an error here. So we need to pass the 93 in the string format. In that case, this function will return some value. So we pass it successfully. Let's first save our Power Automate flow here. Let's click on the test and let's run our Power Automate. So if you see friends, our flows run successfully and in the output we are getting the number as 42. It is present at the 42 digit. Okay. Let's go and see the Microsoft documentation as well. Okay. Return the starting position or index value for a substring. This function isn't case sensitive and indexes start with the number 0. Okay. So first we need to pass the text and the second parameter we need to pass the text that we want to search. We see the practically as well. Let's go for the second function. So second is float function. Let's go first see it practically. Let's use data operation compose. Let's rename the action. Let's go to the power fx and let's use here isFloat. So if you see friends, isFloat function take a string as an input and gives us the output as a boolean. So we need to pass the value in the string format. It means in the single quotes, and let's we give pass go with the positive side first, okay, positive scenario, and let's see what output we are getting. So I just pass the floating point number 111.1. Let's click on the add and let's click on the test here manually. Save and test, run a flow. So if you see friends, our flows run successfully and we can see we are getting the output as true. If we pass the negative scenario, in that case we will get the false value. So let's we go for the next function, okay, that is int, okay. Let's first rename. So is it function as well take a input as a string. If you pass the number you will face an error. So I just pass here negative scenario here, okay. I am passing the float number, okay. Let's see what output we are getting. Previously we checked the positive scenario. In this case, we will test the negative scenario and see what value we are getting. So each thing we are seeing practically in depth, okay? So you can understand each and every point. Still, if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask in the comment box, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any thoughts, any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box, because we are putting lot of efforts to create these valuable videos for you. So now friends, our IsInt function flow is run, okay? And if you go in the output section, we are getting the false value. Let's go and see the last index of function. And the 10th one is very important, that is length function. Mostly interview asks this one, okay, in the interviews. And also the in most of the scenarios how you can use, okay, it will twist the question there. So let's we use our second last function first, compose. So let's we see the last index of function. Let's click on power effects and let's pass the value here, last index of. So if you see friends, it required the string that may contain the value and return the last index of value within the string. So let's we pass some string here, okay, 1 2 3. I'm just passing the random string here, okay. And if we use the comma here, let's see if we have any parameter, the value for which to find the index of. So we will pass the 2 here. No, we need to pass the value that we need to search. So we will pass it 1. Let's click on the add and let's run this flow. So if you see friends, our formulas run successfully, and in the output we are also getting the number index is 0, okay, because we pass 1 as the first. So if you see friends, we have two functions, okay, one is index of function and second one is last index of function. So index of function find the number from the starting, and the as mentioned name suggests last index from find the number from the ending of the string here. So let's we see the last function here, okay, that is length. First let's we rename this, okay. So length function we use for the both the parameters, for the array also we will use here. So let's go and see this. So it is require collection, okay, means array or the string, and it will return the number as output. So let's we go and pass the string here. We previously session also we used the length function. If you watch that video, it's good. If not watch, then please go and watch that as well. Let's click on save and test. So we are getting output as 184. And if we pass the second parameter here, okay, so we will get, okay, the out. So friends, in our next video we are seeing the remaining function. So please stay with us, okay. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. Thank you friends, have a nice day.